was quiet, a gentle chill in the air, twinkling dots in the sky that we call stars. But are they really just stars? Or does every point hide an entire galaxy behind it, breathing with the heartbeats of billions of suns? Slowly, imagine we're standing on Earth, with our tiny lives, but as soon as we look up, an infinite sky opens above us. It feels like there's some invisible door. You just need to know how to see it. Our journey starts right here from the limits of human vision. We stand at the edge of this blue planet, where city lights slowly fade away and darkness begins. This is the place where science, curiosity, and imagination hold hands together, where questions are born. How big is the universe? How far can we go? Does up and down even have meaning when infinity spreads in every direction? Slowly, the camera rises up. Clouds are left behind, and Earth's surface starts looking round. Green oceans, golden deserts, white poles, all wrapped in a beautiful sphere. Here we realize for the first time that we're not alone, but part of a vast machinery. The sun doesn't light us like a candle, but as a life-giving center. In this moment, the mind questions, if this is just the beginning, then what lies ahead? We move forward floating in the arms of space, where there's no air, just silence. The same silence that's been spread between stars for centuries, where time seems to slow down, where even a human heartbeat feels small. Like a subtle note in some grand music, imagine we've crossed Earth's orbit. The International Space Station is getting smaller behind us. Satellites look like tiny dots spinning in the void. Blue light is fading, and black expanse is opening before us. This is our first step toward the beyond from the known universe. We don't look back. What was there has now become a memory. Ahead isn't just darkness, it's mystery. And this mystery pulls our story forward. You don't look back. What was there has now become a memory. Ahead isn't just darkness, it's mystery. Expanse and unknown depths. With every moment, every kilometer, your journey gets closer to the universe's real vastness. We keep moving forward. Now the darkness we see doesn't feel like emptiness, but an ocean of energy and motion. Every glowing dot isn't just a star, but a galaxy carrying echoes of billions of suns. Their light's journey takes centuries, thousands of years to reach our eyes. This is the first realization that the universe isn't just outside, but spread inside too, in every direction, in every moment, infinite possibilities. We've now crossed the magnetosphere. Solar wind's gentle stream touches our vessel, and along with it, millions of invisible cosmic particles also collide on our path. It feels like space isn't empty. It's filled with motion, energy, and endless expanse. Here, photons, radiation, and tiny charged particles are constantly traveling, like an invisible symphony. Far away, the moon comes before us. It's no longer just a reflection of light, but becomes a symbol of the universe's stability and change. Its surface, with craters and dust, brings us this message that no object, no matter how massive, is free from the universe's motion. Everything here is changeable, expands, and keeps changing with time. We move forward, and the Milky Way's vast arms open before us. Glowing gas clouds, millions of stars, nebulae all flowing like a cosmic river. This scene deepens a question in our minds. If our own planet, sun, and galaxy are this vast, then beyond this vastness, how many more worlds, how many realities exist? We slowly reach distant galaxies. Their motion is so fast, it feels like the universe itself is moving forward. Some galaxies move toward us. Some move away so fast that their light might never reach us. This is the first sign that our eyes' limits and perception are also limited. On this journey, we feel Olber's paradox for the first time. If the universe is infinite, and there are stars in every direction, then why is the night sky so dark? Darkness tells us that somewhere either light is beyond our reach, or the universe's motion has separated us. And as we move forward, this feeling is born in our mind that the universe's expanse isn't limited just to outer space. It's spreading within our thinking and understanding too. Every ray, every shining star tells us that this journey isn't just about covering distance, but about feeling reality too. We move forward, and with endless expanse, our perception also grows. Every moment, every second, our journey takes us closer to the universe's real vastness, and unknown depths keep opening before us. We slowly leave Earth and its nearest regions behind. Space is now not just black, but has become an ocean of expanse and motion. In every direction, countless stars, worlds spinning around them, and in every world, possibly life's glimmer. All this is beyond our vision's limit. Our vessel now reaches beyond the solar system. Here, the count of planets seems nominal. Jupiter's vastness, Saturn's shining rings, and distant Pluto's cold desolation, everything appears to dance on a cosmic stage. Every planet engaged in an intricate dance with its own motion and gravity. As we move further, the Kuiper Belt and Oort cloud appear. Small and large icy bodies, comets, and debris signal an invisible boundary. A boundary completely different from our familiar planet's world. The law of gravity and motion is the same, but the scale is so large that human imagination can barely understand it. With our vessel's speed, light travel time also feels real. What we're seeing now is actually a scene from many years ago. The stars shining beyond Jupiter, their light must have taken millions of years to leave Earth. This realization tells us that in the universe, now, we're not just crossing distance, but traveling with time too. Here we realize for the first time that galactic boundaries aren't just visual limits. Our eyes and telescopes can only catch the light that's within our reach in time. And for those galaxies moving away from us so fast that their light will never reach us, the universe's expansion continues for them too. We see that beyond the Milky Way, clusters of galaxies are spread out. Between them, dark matter's shadow looks like an invisible skeleton holding the entire cosmic structure together. This structure is so vast that compared to our entire solar system, it's like just a tiny particle. Slowly, we understand that there's no end in the universe, only perception's limit. As far as our eyes and instruments can see, that's our observable universe. But beyond it, infinite expanse exists too, about which we can only speculate. And as we move forward, this realization also deepens that with every comet, every planet, every galaxy, and every star's light our knowledge is growing. But far more mysteries are still beyond our reach than what we know. We move forward, and this journey makes us face this reality. We can see only a fraction of the universe's vastness, but we can experience its infinity. We move forward, and now not just stars and planets, but entire galaxies start appearing in our vision. The Milky Way now looks shrinking behind us, and the vastness of stellar groups beyond it challenges our imagination. Every galaxy, whether spiral or elliptical, twinkles in its unique motion and sound like a cosmic rhythm. As we go further, we realize for the first time that galaxies aren't just dots. The distance between them, their size, their spiral arms all together spread like a large galactic plane. This plane is so vast that we can't see it completely with our eyes, but its effect is felt in every direction. Here, every galaxy with its gravitational force and rotation creates an echo with others. We understand that this echo isn't just sound, but the echo of gravitational influence and cosmic motion. Because of dark matter's invisible web, galaxies are connected to each other, and their collective dance shapes the universe's entire structure. This echo tells us that in the universe, every object, every galaxy, every cluster is part of an intricate web. We move forward and see that some galaxies are so far that their light might not have reached us yet. But still, we can detect their presence through redshift and spectroscopy. This makes us realize that the universe isn't seen just with our eyes, but also with science's instruments and understanding. We slowly feel ourselves like a tiny dot compared to those galaxies. Our solar system, our Milky Way, all are like just a small stain on the cosmic canvas. Yet, every signal of echo in this vastness reminds us that this system isn't just physical, but also a kind of balance and harmony. As we move further, our perception also changes. Now we're not just seeing, but feeling. Galaxies' motion, their distance, their light, and their gravitational pull all together resonate in our minds like music. This is the moment when we understand that everything in the universe is interconnected. And without this echo, no star, no galaxy is alone in its existence. This experience also shows us that infinity is in every direction. But that infinity isn't just distance, but also time, motion, and possibilities expansion. And as we move forward, this echo reminds us that our journey in the universe isn't just physical, but mental and emotional too. Moving forward, we now cross a region where the meaning of up and down learned on Earth doesn't remain. High and low in space are only part of our perception. Now gravity isn't limited just to the solar system. Here, every object is floating according to its place and motion, and every direction is filled with possibilities. As we increase speed, we feel that there's no fixed orientation in the universe. The Milky Way's spiral arms, other galaxies' clusters, and distant quasars all rotate on their own axis. Nothing is up, nothing is down. Only space-time fabric exists, where every object is connected with its curvature and motion. This illusion deepens even more when we reach near gravity wells. Black holes' intense gravitational force distorts our perception. Time seems slow. Light's paths change and objects appear different from their actual direction before our eyes. This is the moment when we understand that orientation in the universe is only illusion. Around our vessel, cosmic microwave background's gentle redness spreads. This isn't just light, but a memory of the universe's early expansion. Seeing this, we realize that the illusion of up and down is just a result of our vision's limit. Just as the horizon on Earth tells us a direction, similarly here, there's no definite reference point. And then, as we move further, we feel that distance and direction are also relative. The same galaxy sometimes appears up, sometimes down, sometimes near, sometimes far, only according to the observer's motion and perspective. Here, physics laws are the same, but their experience is completely different. In this illusion, we feel reality's depth for the first time, that there's no stability in the universe. Everything is in flow. Stars drift, galaxies glide, and time moves in its rhythm. This experience expands our mind and perception. As we move forward, this illusion creates questions in our thinking. Is up and down only relative? Is what we're seeing really where we think it is? And the biggest question, if perception is this fluid, then what is the universe's ultimate form? We keep moving forward amid this illusion and slowly feel that here distance, orientation, and motion have no permanent meaning. Only expanse, motion, and infinite possibilities that take us closer to the universe's reality. We move forward, and now that reality of the universe opens before us that eyes can't see directly. Energy streams, invisible rivers of power that flow everywhere. Solar wind is now not just from the sun, but part of energy spreading between millions of galaxies. Cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and radiation's echo are felt around our vessel. As we move forward, we learn that these streams aren't static. Dark matter's shadow, gravitational waves, and interstellar plasma together create an invisible structure. This structure is so vast that our perception can feel it only in abstract form. Here, every particle, every photon, every quantum vibration resonates in a rhythm, as if the universe itself is beating like a vast heartbeat. Our eyes can't see infrared and ultraviolet light, but instruments can detect. That's why we understand that the universe isn't just matter and stars, but also an infinite ocean of energy. Magnetic fields swell around spiral galaxies, and this swell affects stars and planetary systems' motion. As we move further, we see that quasars and pulsars throw their radiation jets into space. These jets are so fast they reach near light speed. It becomes clear that the universe's energy isn't just passive, but dynamic and never stopping. Every particle, every star, and every galaxy is itself an energy node, and these nodes are connected in a cosmic network. And here we feel black holes' energy influence for the first time. Their gravitational pull doesn't just attract matter, but also distorts space-time. Because of these distortions surrounding radiation, light, and energy streams bend and swell. This phenomenon teaches us that in the universe, energy and matter aren't separate. They're two aspects of the same cosmic mechanism, we feel that this energy isn't just dynamic, but also works like information. Every wave, every particle, every fluctuation tells the universe's story, where formation of stars, birth of galaxies, and evolution of cosmic structures all depend on energy flows patterns. As we move forward, it becomes clear that the universe's greatest secret isn't hidden just in distance or mass, but in energy's invisible currents. And every moment when we float between these currents, our perception also synchronizes with their rhythm. This experience prepares us for the next mystery, hidden structures that we can now feel but can't completely see. We've now entered the region where the universe's deepest secrets are hidden. This is the place where visible things are only surface and reality lives in invisible structures. Dark matter, dark energy, and cosmic filaments, these are all the universe's real bones that our eyes can't see directly, but their effect falls on everything. We feel that galaxies aren't just floating islands. They're interconnected in a vast cosmic web. Dark matter's invisible threads bind them together. These threads spread gravity's echo and shape space-time's curvature. This structure is so vast that our Milky Way appears like just a small node. As we go further, we move toward cosmic voids and superclusters. Here, space is almost empty, but this emptiness is also dynamic. In voids, invisible energy and subtle gravitational currents flow. We feel that empty space in the universe isn't passive either. It's itself a structure, a framework in which galaxies and clusters organize themselves. With our motion, we see gravitational lensing phenomenon. Distant galaxies, light bends from massive objects and reaches our vessel. This bending doesn't just change visibility, it shows us the universe's hidden structures. In this distorted path of light, we understand that every galaxy and cluster isn't just isolated, but part of a larger invisible network. These cosmic filaments and sheets have distances of billions of light years. Galaxies are linearly aligned on these filaments, and voids create their natural contrast. We feel that the universe's reality isn't just stars and planets, but an intricate architecture where every component has a precise role. We see that dark energy is also working silently in this structure. It accelerates the universe's expansion, slowly takes galaxies away, and constantly redefines the observable universe's boundaries. This is why, as we move forward, new patterns and hidden structures keep opening for us to see and learn. As we go deeper into invisible frameworks, a sensation arises that the universe isn't just big, but organized, rhythmical, and mysterious. Every structure reminds us that we've only reached its surface parts yet, and real understanding is still pending. This experience prepares us for the next journey testing human vision, where we'll know how far our perception and instruments' limits can take us, and how many mysteries will always remain hidden. We now enter the region where the universe tests our perception the most. Here there are no familiar reference points. Stars, galaxies, and cosmic structures are as limited through our instruments as they appear to our eyes. This is the place where both human vision and technology's limits come under test. we see that distant galaxy's light is so faint that human eyes can't feel it. James Webb Space Telescope and other advanced instruments can show us how many intricate patterns and hidden structures exist in the universe. This experience reminds us that our direct perception is only the beginning. Reality is far more vast and complex than that. As we move forward light years, distance challenges our perception. What we're seeing now is many millions or billions of years old. This creates an illusion with time and distance. We feel we're in the present, but we're actually seeing the past. Here, every observation is a test. Can we understand cosmic history? We move forward and reach near the cosmic horizon. This is the boundary from beyond which no information has reached us yet. These galaxies are so far from us that their light will never reach our vessel. Both our perception and instruments can't reveal what's beyond. This is human vision's biggest test. It shows that what we can see is only a small part of the observable universe. In this experience, we also realize that space-time distortions and expanding universe are constantly altering our observation. Galaxies are getting farther for our eyes. Light is getting redshifted, and cosmic events are happening on such large scales that our understanding remains limited to only abstract models. We slowly feel that our curiosity and tools have reached the limits they can take us. Beyond this limit, the universe's real form, its raw magnitude, and hidden truths are constantly fading before us. But this experience further refines our science and imagination. And as we move forward amid this cosmic test, this sensation is born in our minds that as vast as the universe is, our understanding is equally fragile and temporary. This journey prepares us toward the next mystery, toward signals of return, where we'll reflect on those cosmic truths that will always remain beyond our perception. As we move forward, the universe isn't now just a silent observer. It starts conversing with us. Every galaxy, every pulsar, every gravitational wave tells its story. This conversation happens not in direct words, but in the form of patterns, vibrations, and cosmic signals. Our instruments detect these subtle messages, and we feel that the universe is listening to our curiosity. Every pulsar's rhythmic pulse tells us about cosmic timing's precision. This rhythm isn't just a signal, but the universe's heartbeat that reminds us that time and motion's laws apply here too. Quasar's light that was emitted billions of years ago is now reaching our instruments, and it's like they're whispering to us. What did I see? What did I endure? Dark matter and dark energy are also part of this conversation. They're not directly visible, but we can read their effects in gravitational lensing and universe's expansion's patterns. This signal teaches us that the universe isn't just of visible objects, but also of invisible forces and subtle interactions. This cosmic dialogue tells us that understanding comes not just from observation, but from interpretation too. We slowly feel that this conversation isn't just scientific data, it's philosophical too. Every structure, every energy flow, every wave reminds us that we're observers, but simultaneously participants too. Our curiosity, our questions, and our explorations move this dialogue forward. As we go into more remote corners of the universe, we hear cosmic whispers, those subtle signals that say the universe is infinite, but structured too. This balance of chaos and order makes us understand that every galaxy, every cluster, and every particle is part of some larger cosmic story. And then it becomes clear that the dialogue is reciprocal. As much as we learn from the universe, we also interpret and influence it. Our observation and analysis shape the universe's understanding. This is the magical moment when human consciousness and cosmic scale interact with each other. This conversation's depth prepares us for the final journey toward new horizons, where we'll not only see the universe's vastness, but also imagine its possibilities and future. We've now reached that limit where the known universe slowly looks fading, and new horizons open before us, unknown regions, a symbol of infinite possibilities and unknown possible worlds. Here, our eyes are instruments, and our imagination are tested together. What we've seen was only a beginning. The real vastness is still ahead of us. As we move forward, we feel that space isn't just distance, but also possibilities expansion. In every direction, galaxies, quasars, and cosmic filaments are arranged in infinite ways. And every structure reminds us that the universe is a dynamic, evolving entity. Time and space aren't now just passive coordinates, but have become active participants. Before us appears that reality we knew before only in theory. Multiverse, or infinite patches of universe, where galaxies and stars evolved differently. This forces us to think that the universe has no single fixed state. Possibilities are so vast that every conceivable scenario can exist somewhere. Energy flows are now guiding us. Cosmic jets, magnetic fields, and dark energies, subtle currents, create a roadmap that shows the universe isn't just matters, but energy, time, and structures, complex interplay. This interplay teaches us that exploration happens not just from traveling, but from observing and interpreting too. As we move forward, our instruments detect faint cosmic whispers, microfluctuations in radiation, gravitational waves from distant cataclysms, and subtle distortions in space-time. These signals tell us that the universe is alive and evolving in every moment. As our understanding grows, the universe seems that much more intricate and profound. This experience leads us to existential questions. Are we just observers? Or are we part of the cosmic process too? Is the universe's expansion and evolution just physical rules result? Or is there some deeper intelligence or pattern hidden? Our new horizons give us opportunity to understand that exploration's meaning isn't just distance, but perspective and consciousness's expansion too. And as we move forward in new horizons, this sensation is born in our mind that the universe is infinite, but its perception and understanding are still evolving. This fuels our curiosity toward the next journey, next discovery, and next cosmic truth search. As we stand before new horizons, a profound realization comes to our mind that the universe isn't just vast, but limitless, complex, and mysterious. Our journey told us that stars and galaxies aren't just matter's combinations, but energy, time, and structure's intricate network. Understanding that we're only a tiny part of it is a humbling experience for us. Around us, the cosmos's vastness, its invisible structures, and energy's countless streams remind us that human existence is only localized. Our life's duration, our perception, and our technology are infinitesimal on cosmic scale. But it's our curiosity, our exploration, and our imagination's power that brings us close to this vastness. Our eyes and instruments can show as much, but far more mysteries are still before us. Dark matter and dark energy, gravitational waves, and cosmic filaments make us understand that the universe can't just be seen. It has to be understood, interpreted, and felt. This is the ultimate lesson for us, that knowledge's journey never ends. And then comes humanity's biggest question. Are we just observers, or are we part of the universe? Can our curiosity and exploration shape this cosmic reality too? Or are we just passive spectators? This realization is simultaneously terrifying and beautiful. Terrifying because as much as we know, the universe seems that much more infinite and incomprehensible. Beautiful because our intelligence, imagination, and curiosity have brought us so far that we can even think about these mysteries. We feel that every discovery, every measurement, and every observation brings us closer to the universe's deeper truths. And this journey is never linear. It's recursive, reflective, and infinite. Our consciousness and cosmic scale now seem interconnected. Finally, it becomes clear that human civilization's small journey, our curiosity, and our imagination connect us with the universe's vastness. It reminds us that ultimate exploration isn't just outward, but inward, reflective, and philosophical too. And as we feel this realization, we get ready for the last mystery, the unknown future, where the universe's infinite possibilities, human curiosity's limits, and cosmic realities future together challenge our imagination. We now stand at that final boundary where the known universe slowly looks fading, and the unknown future opens before us, a realm that we can understand only through imagination, speculation, and curiosity. Here, there's no clear path, no definite answer, only infinite possibilities. Every direction is a mystery, every light year a symbol of new question. As we move forward, we feel that the future isn't just physical but conceptual, philosophical, and mystical too. The universe is constantly evolving, expanding, transforming, and reshaping its rules. Dark energy is accelerating the universe. Galaxies are moving away, and stars are slowly fading. This scene is simultaneously melancholic and inspiring, a reminder that time is relentless, but possibilities are also infinite. This unknown future teaches us that human civilization and our curiosity can never be stagnant. Technology, imagination, and learning will keep us moving forward. Maybe someday we can do interstellar travel or decode new universe's mystery. But one thing is certain, the journey itself is the ultimate destination. Exploration, understanding, and questioning are our real power. We're a small unit on cosmic scale, But our thoughts, questions, and dreams hold limitless potential. As the universe expands, so does our imagination. Every discovery, whether scientific or philosophical, reminds us that knowledge and curiosity have no limits. And in this unknown future's vastness, we feel that every question, every exploration, and every attempt takes us into human experience's depth. We need to learn to embrace uncertainty, celebrate mysteries, and see every new horizon with enthusiasm and wonder. So let's end this cosmic journey thinking that no matter how big and unknown the universe is, our curiosity, our hope, and our inquisitiveness will always keep us moving forward. And remember, every exploration's beginning starts from your mind and your questions.